Okay, so this is a 4-piece set that I got of the Pink Stuff by Stardrops. This is the best cleaning solution. I love it. It's my favorite. And you have something for everything. This is the multi-purpose cleaner, streak-free. I use it on glass. So basically any hard surface. It smells so good. Bathroom foam cleaner, cuts through lime scale. It works wonderfully. Miracle cream cleaner. So for your, if you want to be a little more gentle, Versatile liquid cream cleaner, hard surfaces. I have not tried this one yet, but I can't wait to. And then you have the Miracle Cleaning Paste. So this is kind of like, it's kind of like an exfoliant for your face. It's a mild abrasive paste. I think of it as like an exfoliant for cleaning surfaces. You can use it on barbecues, you can use it on lawn furniture, you can use it on basically anything. I love that it is also 99% natural ingredients, non-toxic, non-hazardous, and not tested on animals. It's endorsed by Nature Watch, and I know that that's not an easy thing to be endorsed by. So love that, we're not spraying nasty chemicals all over our house, and it smells great. Definitely give the Pink Stuff a try.